Hi, I'm Matangi and I secured AIR 4 in GATE Biomedical 2021. This was actually my second attempt at GATE, and I'm very, very thankful that I found Kalam's and Krishnan's coaching for my GATE preparation. And something that I was really fascinated with Sir's classes is the way Sir handled students' doubts and queries. So there was never any doubt or that was left unanswered by Sir in our classes. And even he used to get back even after days or weeks, but he used to come back with the most detailed solutions and the most in-depth explanations that led us to understanding the concept in probably a completely new angle, in a completely different way. So this increased our passion towards the subject. Another thing is, Sir always identified each student's individual strengths and helped them improve upon that, be it for the sake of GATE or even for just to know biomedical engineering in a better way. This kind of teaching I have not experienced before, and because of this there was never a dull class. No matter how hectic the day was, I always enjoyed his classes, and so my preparation also went in the most productive way.